guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips to Dave. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at sales funnels, how exactly I'm using a sales funnel and what it can do for you, why in 2023, but also 2024 and going on, you should consider if you're doing affiliate marketing, having a sales funnel in place. And that doesn't mean complicating it with the, amazing structures and complexity. And first you need to sell that and then you need to sell something else. Let me go ahead and actually hop on my computer, share my screen a little bit more and talk to you about the sales funnel ideas and process as I have in place for you guys on this video. All right, guys, here I am on my screen and I'm super excited to share this video because I like making these instructional videos and like making this documentation of everything. But more than anything else, it's because you can now enter into the mindset of somebody who's implementing skills while having a full-time job and what it is to do, taking action and not holding back, but being accountable for your actions in order for you to get results. Now, this strategy that I'm talking about, you might have heard about ClickFunnels. You might have heard about funnels in general, but a website is a funnel. Your Facebook is a funnel. Everything is funnels out there, but having a sales funnel specifically for your marketing, whether it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever kind of marketing you're doing, even if it's just branding yourself, is super important. So I'm here. This channel was created to teach you guys the skill sets. And in today's video specifically, we're going to be looking at the sales process, step 2 in my whole strategy. This is the entire strategy that I follow, and it's the only strategy that I'm going to be following until I hit that $1,000 per month. Now, I have had my successes, guys, online with affiliate marketing, and I decided to start everything again and restart everything in such a simple way to show you with the least amount of time and the least amount of expenditure how you can actually scale up your business. And that's exactly what I'm doing with affiliate marketing here. In this process, the sales funnel is super important. But what I'm going to share with you today is not only tips or ideas of how to actually build a sales funnel for yourself. I believe that everybody should do it in a different way. Don't copy other people's sales funnels. Always maybe copy the structure, look at the structure, but at the end of the day, make it your own. Why? Because you're branding yourself with affiliate marketing specifically, but you are sharing your journey. Have a voice of your own and you will see that things convert much better for you. That's something that I really want to get into and share with you guys in this video. So as I said, I followed this step-by-step process. Step 1 is purely related to cash flow. So there's no sales funnel involved there. There's me getting leads and then emailing those leads and getting a sale. I don't care about building my asset, which is my email list. I don't care about anything else but the cash flow. Why? Because in step 2, which we're going to be talking about today in this video, I advertise, whether it's free advertising, whether it's paid advertising, it really doesn't matter. I advertise and I send it to a funnel. Why do I send it to a funnel? Because I want people to go through the sales process of getting to know me, getting to like me, getting to trust me, getting to see whether it makes sense for them to get the offer that I'm sharing. My offer is not for everyone. It's for people who are interested in actually learning the skill sets. So I need to be facing the audience. I need to push away everybody who doesn't want it and keep the people who need it, because at the end of the day, I want to help you. Okay, so that's something that's very important in terms of understanding the mindset of getting into the affiliate marketing space in general, but even building a sales funnel. Guys, if you like what I'm sharing with you right now, just the content of what I've done so far, but also for future videos, every single Wednesday I talk about the structure. So please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get access to these videos. Once we hit a certain amount of subscribers, I'm going to be opening a section where you can join and pay a monthly fee and you'll get extra videos, which will go much more in depth. But until then, what we're going to be doing is just growing this account and documenting this YouTube channel. So that's why I'm making these videos. Let me go ahead and share with you how simple the structure is. If you do have a full-time job, if you do not have a lot of time, having a sales process is very important. You don't need to start with having an elaborate sales process of what I have, even though what I have is a very simple, basic structure, and I will not change this basic structure into a more complicated structure. Only that's the next stage when I'm making a certain level of income. Why? Because then I want to be more targeted. Once I reach a certain level of income, what I can do then is I need to pay for the complications, like the complexity you need to pay for. So don't make it too complex, keep it simple. And then when you're adding those little layers, it is only for niche people. So for example, if you have a high ticket offer that is only applicable for those who have bought a specific course that you have, then that's what you're going to add into your funnel, and so on and so forth. So those are the sales ideas that you can create, and the automation behind it does take a lot of the heavy lifting away from you or personally contacting that person, having a conversation with them. The sales process does it for you. And your emails is an important structure. So the way that I have my sales process or sales funnel built is that go to a landing page. You basically go to this page right here. You enter in your email address. It takes you to a thank you page, which is right here, where you get a short training, and then you can decide to get the offer that I have or not. I need to do some editing of this page, but in general, this is the offer that you have. They go to it, and then they decide to go to a sales page or not. So exactly as I mentioned in the structure, they go to a landing page, to a bridge page, or a thank you page, and then to an offer that I personally own. Now, it can be your own offer, it can be somebody else's offer. It's already up to you. This is the affiliate marketing process. And when somebody purchases that offer, you make a sale. What I personally do is then I use a percentage of that back into my advertising to keep the flow running and keep the whole process moving. At the same time, I'm building an email address. This whole thing is a funnel. The email funnel is a funnel in itself, because the emails take care of the automation as well. But this whole process is also a sales funnel. So I want to give you guys an idea, and look at your Facebook. Okay, somebody lands on your Facebook, on your social media platform. What are they doing? They're going through your social media to check whether or not what you say you're actually doing. So it has to be congruent. It has to make sense. It has to click. Now, if, for example, you are somebody who's on social media a lot and you're doing some free advertising, this is an idea for you. You could build a structure, and I'm not using Linktree or anything, but I'm using a tool where you can build a structure where you have your elements in place right here. And this allows you to, let's say, if you want to promote your YouTube channel, if you want to promote some reel templates, and these are free things that you can give out, free resources that you can give out. If you want somebody to get on your email list, you can add them to your email list. So this, for example, was built in a tool called system.io. And I use this tool. And by the way, guys, if you do want this tool, the link is in the description. It's a completely free tool to get started with. And if you do want to pay, then it costs you us $27 per month for the basic one. So if I go to system.io, I'll just show you the pricing very quickly. Free, up to 2,000 contacts, and then it has everything for you. I'm not going to go through the features. I'm going to leave a link of a playlist in the description that teaches you about a system.io, but it has everything under the sun for you. Whether if you want to blog with it, whatever it is that you're looking for, I'm sure that system.io has it, including creating courses and everything else. So I'm going to be using this tool for my life as far as I see. And I cannot wait to get to the unlimited plan, because that will, allow me to have these complexities in my marketing, but also have a very targeted approach on how to build it. So why am I keeping it so simple? A few reasons for that. The first reason for me to keep it simple is that I don't want people to go through and get confused on what to get started with. They go through the sales process. I'm teaching them something in the sales process. In the emails, they're going through the same sales process. I'm just, putting them back through the whole sales process. So they understand that I'm doing the exact same thing, and there's a very focused attention. That's the first thing. But you can do the same with your bio link if you want to create a template like this in your bio link. Now, there are tools like Linktree and others that you could use, which are great. Also, don't get me wrong, they are perfectly fine. But having a tool like system.io and creating something like this for yourself, in fact, if you want this, I'll leave a share code in the description of this video in case you want to get this share code, and you can feel free to use it at any time, any point of time in your business, and change it up and edit it and stuff like that. But having this sales funnel, this is also a sales funnel. It's, yes, somebody comes and they want to get to know you. When they get to know you, they go through your YouTube channel. It's a sales funnel. If they go through your templates, they're getting to know you. Remember, this is the most important purpose of the sales funnel. You can have a sales funnel for your webinars. If you have a webinar, you can have it specifically for your own product. You can have it for other people's product. You can have it for a free element, a free course that you want to share with people. But always the target of a sales funnel is to build that connection. So what did I do to build the connection? I personally had a training of 20 minutes that I created, and I added this here. And this training is going to be updated at the end of the year. I will have testimonials, and these are the steps that I'm going to improve. When you get started, guys, don't fuss on, oh, I need a special sales video, oh, I need a special this, oh, I need a special that. you can start with the simplicity of having a very simple landing page. Okay? And in the last week, I spoke about specifically landing pages. So check that out. You can create a simple landing page that goes to simple opt-in page. Thank you page, which you can edit along the way. You can improve along the way. You can change along the way. Don't let it be a handicap to stop you. And then when you click on it, it goes to a sales page, which basically sells the offer that you are promoting. Start with this structure if you want, and then add other elements to it. Maybe you have 3 or 4 offers. The question that you would ask yourself, do you really want to offer these 3 or 4 offers within the sales funnel, or would you prefer to offer it in your email list? Me personally, I prefer to offer the other offers that I have in my email list as a substitution of the primary offer. So I'm giving people a choice of 3 or 4 or 5 offers, but following the same plan. So my focus is the same. The offers are different. The focus and the plan, the structure is the same. Hope this give you guys an idea of what it actually means to have a sales funnel. And if you do want to find a tool that's useful to create it, if you need my help, my link to my Facebook group is in the description of this video. If you want to also get this tool, it's going to be in the description of this video. And as I said, feel free to contact me and let me know, comment, and I'm here to help. But don't let it stop you. Start right now, create it. Why? It's gonna save you a lot of time. Somebody who has a full-time job, this saves me a lot of time. I make sales from my email list. I make sales from my my sales page. Look at this. I'm just gonna go to Warrior Plus so that you have an idea. Okay, even yesterday, as I have traffic running, or I have advertising running all the time to my landing page, right? So let's say even today, okay, I got 2 hops, 2 clicks on my page. Where did this come from? My email. The 2 clicks came from my email, guys. If I go back to stats and I look at yesterday, just to give you guys an idea, or this week. Let's look at this week because 3 days passed this week, just to show you. And I just click on this. So there's 139 people that have visited my page. 82 have come from MLGS, which is my primary offer that I'm sending. 22 of those unique clicks have come basically from my system. So basically the whole sales funnel. 8 have come from my email. These are also coming from so that means 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 totally clicks have come from there. Have there been any conversions? Not yet. But that's absolutely fine because I have traffic running continuously, and so it drips in every single day. But this is what I mean. I am not sitting there and talking to those 22, 26, 28 people, right? I have this process automated completely, either by email or either by my sales funnel itself. So that's why I'm talking about having a very simplistic sales process where you're just focusing on one thing, and that thing that you're going to be focusing, I'm going to be talking about on Friday. So stay tuned to Friday's video and let's get into it there. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I hope this video was educational. And obviously, guys, if you have any comments, let me know in the description of this video and I'll get back to you. See you guys on the next video.